Okay, a lot of times when I'm gonna eat lunch somewhere, I end up using something like this. I got a fork, I got a spoon. It's also got a little bit of a knifey thing on the edge, but yeah, that doesn't really do anything. But it's a lot of plastic, and it's a lot, so I ordered something else, something I thought would be awesome. And it came in, I opened it up from the back. So, I've always, absolutely always loved butterfly knives, but they're kind of illegal and stuff. So I got something a little bit different. Oh, really nice packaging actually. It's got a metal box. It's really nice thingy there. But this one, I got myself a fork. Let's see, is it about the same size? Pretty close. So, in this one, I haven't used one in years, but Balisong or Butterflyfork. It's actually a really nice one. And in this package, well, I also ordered something else. Let's see now. Let me see, I gotta put this down for one moment. Gotta open this up. Oh, nice. Okay, so the other one, there was a fork, and then this one, spoon. Wow, that one's gorgeous. What's on the edge? It's got a little bit of a sharp edge. I guess if I want to eat grapefruit or something like that. Let's compare the size to this. It's a little bit small. Well, not much smaller. Still not so deep, so not great for cereal or soup. But it's good for like a salad and stuff. And, well, it's also really good fun playing with. And that looks so cool when it's closed. Alright, so I think it's pretty good. I also ordered another one of the spoons for my son Wolfram because, well, he's really excited that his grandpa's from Indonesia. So he's Indonesian. Balisong stuff comes from Indonesia. Balisong knife. So I got him a spoon. I had to do it. Alright. Cool.